Hello! If you machine plastics or light alloys, such as aluminum, and you want to definitely solve the risk of melting and consequent bad finish of the workpiece, then enjoy this video. To counter the spread in the market of router bits made from cheap materials and the total lack of support from tool dealers, after years of intensive study and testing, we created Carbider POLY, the original line of lapped carbide router bits for plastics and light alloys. Thanks to the perfectly smooth cutting-edge surface achieved by professional lapping and the special cutting-edge geometry, you can mill plastics and light alloys without the risk of melting and with an excellent finish for longer. In addition, for more difficult plastics, we have developed Plaster 1.0, a non-toxic and environmentally friendly fluid that cools the workpiece, further preventing it from melting. Too good to be true? We have received hundreds of genuine and certified reviews from discerning craftsmen and hobbyists from all over Europe who are working happily with Carbider POLY. You can find the entire Carbider POLY line in Europe's #1 megastore dedicated to wood, aluminum, and plastic router bits, www.fraisertools.com, where you will also find CNC parameter values for CNC directly in your account after purchase. Take advantage of free support now, or choose the router bit model that suits you best. And if, after support from one of our tutors, you purchase the router bit and you are not satisfied, we will refund it.